The Oraimo Watch 5 Lite has not only become one of my daily driver, but also it has improved my daily routine and boost my productivity. This smartwatch packs a lot of cool features like Bluetooth call, IP68 water and dust resistant, voice assistant, and others. So I think with the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite, you don't really need an expensive smartwatch to feel among the big boys, right? Well, this is my full review video of the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite, and without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. Yo, what's up guys, it's Ashlo here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be reviewing the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite. Yeah, so the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite is a budget smartwatch. It is pretty much the lower version of the Watch 5. It has some basic features of the Watch 5, but not all. The Oraimo Watch 5 Lite cost me only 17,500, which should be around $15, and you can get 5% discount off the price using my coupon code you're seeing on the screen. So when you purchase the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite, what you are getting inside of the box is a manual paper guide, a charging cable, and the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite itself. Yeah, that's all. For you to get started, what you have to do is to download the Oraimo Health app on Apple or Play Store. Scan the QR code on the smartwatch to synchronize with your device. Now you can get started using your smartwatch. This smartwatch has a decent design. It comes with a rubber strap which you can easily change, and also it is covered up with plastic. The Oraimo Watch 5 Lite has a power button on the right side that only has few functions, which is to switch on and switch off the smartwatch, and also to go to the main menu of the smartwatch. You can actually scroll through your screen. Basically, you can only navigate and scroll through the smartwatch using your finger. And yeah, it is pretty responsive. The Oraimo Watch 5 Lite comes with 2.01-inch HD screen. It is a TFT display. It is sharp, vivid, clear, and bright. By clicking on the brightness adjust button, you can increase or decrease the brightness to your preference. Plus, it doesn't consume much battery. The Oraimo Watch 5 Lite comes with an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, which is pretty good. You can easily access message notifications when you swipe up. You can't reply them, but can delete them by clicking on the delete button underneath. You can also include more app notifications with your phone. By clicking on the watch icon, click on your connected smartwatch. Click on sync with phone notifications to include the apps you want. Also, with the AI watch face feature, you can seamlessly change your watch faces to AI generated watch faces. By clicking on Die Center, press Die, click any of the options to generate your own AI watch faces, and after that, it will automatically show on your smartwatch. So you can swipe down to easily access some features. You can also swipe left for quick features, swipe left again to access full features of the smartwatch. So if you are someone who likes working out, with the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite, you can access over 100 workout modes. Click on the workout you are currently doing and start working out. This is to help you keep in track with your workout activity. With just one click, you can measure your heart rate, blood oxygen, and pressure. And also, the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite can keep track of your sleep, making you to understand and manage your sleep. One cool thing about the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite is that it supports Bluetooth high quality call. When you activate the Bluetooth call feature, you can start making calls directly from your smartwatch. I tested it out and it worked pretty fine. Let me show you guys how good this smartwatch sounds. Yo guys, this is the sound quality of the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite. It's pretty much loud, and I could have played some song, but I'm just trying to avoid copyright stuff like that. So yeah, this is how it sounds like out from the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite. You see, it sounds good and it is loud. Rate the sound quality in the comment section. For the battery life, Oraimo boasts a 7-day standby time, and yeah, it does last that much on a single charge. Well, this smartwatch comes with 300 mAh battery capacity, and you can take up to or less than 2 hours to get fully charged. There are other cool features you can explore on this smartwatch, like voice assistant, calculator, remote camera, flashlight, and few more. The Oraimo Watch 5 Lite is a decent budget smartwatch you can buy, but the only down part is the screen quality. It doesn't have any protection, plus it's not a scratch resistant. If you look closely on my screen, you will notice this tiny scratch on it. So I will advise you to be careful while using the smartwatch to avoid unnecessary scratch. Apart from that, everything else on this smartwatch worth it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section what you think about the smartwatch. Please don't forget that you can get 5% discount by using the coupon code you're seeing on your screen right now. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell to always get notified whenever we drop a new video on this channel. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.